Welcome to the Sembot channel. Today we will show you how to easily check the position of your product ads with Sembot. You will learn how to run a monitor and analyze the results for your products compared to your competitors. This will allow you to easily identify areas that need optimization. Feel free to take a look. Let's start by adding a new project. In the Sembot account panel, go to the All Projects tab. Add a new project by clicking Add Project. Fill out a short form. Enter the details about your store. Enter the domain. Select the project type. In the next step, select the project language. Click Create Project. Go to the Feed tab. From this tab, you can upload your input feed. Click Add New Feed and fill out the form. Enter the name of the input feed. Add a link to the feed for which you will run product ad monitoring. Select the parsing time. In the next section, you will find the input file mapping. Verify that everything has been mapped correctly. Then click the Save button. Go to the Google Monitor tab. The monitor consists of three modules: the Organic Results Monitor, the Product Ads Monitor, and the Text Ads Monitor. Let's move on to the Product Ads Monitor. To start the Product Ads Monitor, go to the Not Monitored Products section. In this section, you will find a collection of all your products that are added to the input file. You can select the products to monitor using the filter option or manually. Click Monitor Selected and select the language. Then select a location. You can choose one location or several. Click the Submit button. The system has added the phrases to the monitor. Go back to the Monitored tab. Each phrase is added separately by location, so there will be supported results for each specific phrase in that location. You also have the option to add generic phrases. Click the Add Phrase to Monitor button. Here you can manually enter the phrases, then select the language and location in which you want the phrase for your store to monitor. You also have the option to upload more phrases, for example, a dozen, dozens, or even hundreds using a file. Click the Get Template button. You can fill in the sheet manually or with the help of, for example, GPT chat to generate the necessary phrases. Choose the language and location in which you want to monitor products. When the file is ready, download it, then add it by clicking the Upload phrase from CSV File button. After uploading the file, click Submit. All phrases from this file will go to the monitor. We are in the Product Ads Monitor tab. At the top, you will find a chart. See how many of your products are in the top 3 product ad results, top 10, and top 30. Expand the chart result type column and select any values to see how all the data displays on the chart. You can also filter or manually select products and compare their results on the chart. In the results, you will see the title phrases of the added products, what product displays for that particular phrase, the position of the product in the product ad tiles, and position variation data. The data is actualized once a day. By clicking on the cogwheel icon, you will see a summary of your competitors. On the monitor, you can check the results of your competitors and compare them with your results. By clicking on the Link button on the right, you can view your competitor's product. Above you will find a chart. On the top right, you will find the time range from which the results are displayed. Select which stores you want to add to the chart. Now we can see how their position in the product ad results has changed. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to Sembot's channel if you want to stay up to date on our marketing solutions and news from the world of technology, performance marketing, and AI. See you in the next episode.